I'm going to talk about ways to cope with back pain, but from an emotional point of view, from a mindset point of view. And so I'm just going to go through 6 things that you can do. The first one is using mind-body techniques. So specifically hypnosis, but any kind of relaxation like meditation or mindfulness. As a hypnotherapist, obviously I'm going to advise hypnosis to cope with back pain. It's absolutely the number one thing you can do, in my opinion. And I'm not just saying this because I'm a hypnotherapist, but it's actually the other way around. I became a hypnotherapist because I was working in natural health, and I just saw how fantastic it was, hypnotherapy as a tool, as a modality that people were using in order to cope with massive things in their life, like really serious health conditions. And so when it comes to back pain, 100% the research is there, the information is there, and I really think it's something that you should dive into. When you're in pain, it can be hard to relax though. So you might be thinking, okay, I want to explore hypnosis, but I try and listen to a meditation or I try and do it and I just can't get there. Here's the thing about hypnosis is that you have to be good at it. It's not magic. It's a skill that you can learn. If you want to use hypnosis or you want to use a similar type of relaxation to cope with pain, and then the pain's there distracting you in the background, screaming at you, you have to get good at hypnosis. How to do that? Practice. Try a variety of different styles. So there are different methods of hypnosis. There's different styles. There's quick inductions that get you from a waking state into a hypnotic state. There's slow ones. There's confusional ones. There's a whole lot of different stuff. So get trying different inductions and different hypnosis. Practice, practice, practice. You know, the Vita method that we created has several hypnosis every week using different inductions and different styles of hypnosis. So you'll be able to find what works for you, find some hypnosis that you can resonate with, that you can do even if you're currently in pain. So if you're in pain, try hypnosis, practice it lots, get very good at it. One of the types of thing that we might do in hypnosis, and just to be clear, I'm not going to remove anybody's pain right now if you're in pain, but something that can make you feel better, it's called dissociation, where you detach from the pain. If you want to do that, if you want to follow along, just close your eyes now. Take a deep breath. Breathe out slowly. Just do another few deep breaths with those eyes closed. Don't be attached to anything you're doing before, anything that's happening outside. It doesn't matter if there's noise where you are. All that matters are the feelings that you're going to have in your body. And I just want you to imagine, just follow me, just imagine feeling light. What would that be like if you felt really, really light, if you were light as a feather? What would it be like if you could leave your body and just float up above, float all the way up? If you could see your face from up there, you could look down at your face and see your face relaxing. As you breathe deeply, all the muscles in your face relaxing. You can see your face soften. You're looking more peaceful. Something's happening that's making you feel better. And I want you to imagine that while you're up there feeling really light, just imagine it. How would it be to feel light? What is feeling light like for you? Imagine you're up there feeling all light and feeling all nice, and an annoying noise comes. Maybe it's like a swarm of bees or somebody mowing their lawn at 7 a.m. on a Sunday morning. But there's an annoying noise and it's bothering you. And so I just want you to imagine taking a deep breath. And then as you breathe out slowly, I want you to imagine pushing yourself away. You're floating away from that noise, further and further. And then if this annoying noise gets closer, if you get a sense that it's getting nearer to you, just take another deep breath. As you breathe out slowly, just blow yourself away. How far can you go? What can you do? This is up to your creativity. Can you imagine going overseas? Can you imagine going somewhere that you love, somewhere in New Zealand, somewhere in Australia, somewhere around the world? Do you want to go into space? Do you want to go beyond space and time. In your mind, you can do whatever you want, however you imagine. And if that annoyance gets closer, just take a deep breath and move further away. When you're finished, bring yourself back, be in your body, look through your own eyes. So this is called dissociation. With practice, you can get very good at it to the point where you don't care about any sensations in your back. It's just this one small part of a one way that we can deal with pain in hypnosis. And if you can't deal with that pain in the now, because let's say you can't take any more painkillers or you're too busy or whatever reason, maybe you can detach from it. Okay. As well as dissociation in hypnotherapy, there's other tools that you can use, such as simply telling yourself through direct suggestion to feel different. Done in the right way, you're able to feel different just by saying so. Using metaphors to help shape your unconscious mind. Creating feelings of numbness in the body is another tool that hypnosis has. This is used in surgery and dentistry. And the other thing we can do is use hypnosis to create motivation to do what you need to do to be better.